जी हाँ दोस्तों, बदलते दौर में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त दानिश महाजन। हर सप्ताह की तरह इस बार फिर मैं हूं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ नए पैनलिस्ट के साथ। कौन है पैनलिस्ट, क्या है टॉपिक, लेकिन उससे पहले आज की हेडलाइंस। राहुल गांधी ने साधा नरेंद्र मोदी पर निशाना, कहा कि बड़ौदा जितनी जमीन बेच दी सिर्फ 300 करोड़ में। क्या कर सकते हैं हम इन पर विश्वास, इनका बस चले तो बेच देंगे पूरा इंडिया। रामदेव ने कहा कि करूंगा केजरीवाल का समर्थन दिल्ली में, लेकिन एक शर्त, लड़े सोनिया गांधी के खिलाफ इलेक्शन रायबरेली से। छत्तीसगढ़ में नक्सली हमला, दो नक्सली हमले, 13 की मौत। वसीम अकरम जुड़ गए हैं केकेआर के साथ। जी आईपीएल में कलकत्ता नाइट राइडर के साथ अब वसीम अकरम, हो सकती है बॉलिंग डिपार्टमेंट में इंप्रूवमेंट। भारत चाइना की इंटरनेशनल नेवी परेड में लेगा भाग। इसके जवाब में चाइना के प्रेसिडेंट करेंगे अक्टूबर में भारत की विजिट और बात होगी संबंधों को बेहतर बनाने की। जी हाँ दोस्तों, नाउ आई एम विद द पैनलिस्ट। टुडेज टॉपिक इज, बिफोर दैट आई वांट टू टेल वन थिंग। Indian Constitution gives the right of equality. Everybody is equal under the eye of Constitution of India. There our scripture tells there is no difference between male and female. Everybody requires equal respect, equal rights and equal duties. But even after the 65 years of independence of India, it is a matter of debate in every corner of India that why male are dominating over female. Today, we want to tell why we have both the aspect of the matter, male are dominating or not. For that, I have got panelists. I have guns and bullets. On the one side, I have got Bala Nagendra, who has just cleared the mains of IS and ready for the interview on 23rd of April. I have got the program manager of Radio Udan, Jyoti Malik. I have got Satyendra Singh, the president of the Debate Department in JNU, Delhi. I have got Megha Ji from Ludhiana. I have got Vikram Aditya Bera from Hyderabad University. I have got Divya Sharma today. And in the last, I have got Ma'am Niharika. She is from the St. Francis College. She is a topper from 10th up to degree. Has got many scholarships. The brilliant student. Today we are going to discuss. Now let's move for the opening comments to the all panelists. I request you all, kindly don't interrupt anyone in the opening comments. Afterwards, debate will be open up. So Niharika ma'am, please continue your valuable piece.
Yes, I was telling that be it any field, you would find take up sports, take up education quota, or take up or you take these domestic issues and all. You will find everywhere that men dominate women to a large extent. To a large extent, men are the ones who dominate a woman every kind, physically, mentally, and everywhere for that matter. This patriarchy has been there in the world. It's been like since ages, immemorable. So I would like to support that. Yes, it's true that men dominate women.
Satyendra, you heard ma'am. What would you like to respond? Yes ma'am, thank you.
we're not contesting the fact that there are no disparities. We pretty much agree that there are inequalities and inequities between men and women, and we agree on the fact that there is patriarchy in the system, which is really detestable, a contentious thing, and we should all get away with it, get rid of it. But what we're contesting is whether men are responsible or men are dominating. I mean, there are two things, like inequalities and domination are two different things. There could be structure in which you have inequalities between men and women, and there could be a different structure where you have domination and subordination relationship. So now the question is whether men are dominating over women or not. I would say no. I would say it's something else. Because
What
in the
would you
present
like
time,
to say?
yes, in the present time, you have an economy which is called technological economy, where men and women are actually equally capable and equally able to do equal amount of work. And the present time where you have attitudinal values, faith and beliefs which basically talk about equality. You see, she talked about newspaper and so you see the results, the board exam results and so on, colleges, universities. Women are everywhere on the top. I mean, it's not men who dominate.
Thank you so much. Megha ji, we would like to know your opening comments. As Satinder said, that females are everywhere, dominating rather in every field, and he put the question, it is not all about men are dominating. He said it is dependent upon the employability and the ability. What you are saying regarding this?
Hello to panelists and Danish. And firstly, I would like to thanks to Mr. Satyendra that he appreciated a woman that she's capable, she can do, and she's doing performing well. But I would like to say first of all one thing. You said that it's about the technological world and all something like that. But with the 2020 World Cup of men, it's the 2020 World Cup of women is also going on in the same time. But who knows about this? Do you have any idea about it? Do the people have
Men are
any
not responsible for that.
information about
Men
it?
are not
Even women were not watching
Okay, no,
women's
sir, no,
Absolutely.
brother, no opening
Even women are
comments,
responsible.
Opening
What is
comments,
the-
don't
even-
interrupt. Australia won, by the way, that World Cup. Okay, we have information. Okay, carry on.
Okay, you have information, but how many people have this information? How many importance by
But I
media?
don't know, but you
people-
clear off.
They-
You carry on, please.
I just want to say that yes, they are equally capable, they can do, and they have equal education also. But it's not just about that. Domination has some different, I would say, factors on which we would like to say. Like, it's not just about the simple thing like. It's not just about in a house who is dominating. It's about the major decisions, the exposure a man and a woman used to have, and
Okay, Megha, thank you for the opening remarks. I will come to you all. Bala Nagendran, the cricket, you heard it. Absolutely, that's true. No, not
It's women
many
who are
people.
responsible.
Everybody is responsible for everything. Bala Nagendran, your opening remarks.
रेडियो उड़ान में आप सभी श्रोताओं का स्वागत है and good evening to listeners and moderator as well. Let me cut to the chase. First and foremost, I'm not here to appreciate women, so I'm not going to do that as my panelist Satindra has done. And the second thing, I'm going to put this in a practical way. Yes, our friend is right. 2020 World Cup has come for women, but when you compare men and women in cricket, physicality plays a lot. Who will watch if you score a lame 100 run for 120 balls, and who will watch if you score a blistering 200 run for 120 balls? Even women were not watching women's cricket. How can we code it as a men's domination? If that is the case, that's a positive domination. If
Can you
men
give
were-
opening comments? We can cut it later on when
Yes,
the debate
of
will
course,
open up.
of course.
All right.
By accepting that men are dominating, we have got 4 of our opponents who have come here to play the hodgepodge of poppycock. So I would like to say, without men's support they wouldn't have come to Radio Raj to talk, because they have come from a family where dad and mom are colliding each other.
You need to answer it.
Dad and mom are colliding to each other, and even in Constitution, directive principles, fundamental duties. Jyoti will answer to this. Fundamental duties says respect women. There is no provision for men. Domestic violence. How many women are misused?
But why these
Revolution.
provisions are there?
Debate is not open up
that is
there.
what. That is what.
Debate is not open
Yeah,
up now.
The question
Okay,
is.
Bala Nagendran, thank you so much. Divya Sharma, your opening comments.
First of
We
all,
are
good evening
male-
to all the listeners and all my
Very good.
panelists and
Some to the
trustees.
point, please, straight away, already
Um,
late. Yeah.
Let me start. Change is coming in India, but still their males are dominating females. Let me give a recent current example of a most probable PM, Mr. Modi, recently revealed about his wife, and
This
he
is
has been
personal
married
share.
from the last 35 years. And earlier in 2008, he was told to write in a form about his married life, but he didn't mention. And now he is telling that.
Do we have to quote what happened in women's self?
Let
I
me-
am
let me
not
complete
saying
my
don't
last-
cut
let
it,
me complete-
don't cut it, please.
Let me complete my
Within
statement.
5 minutes it will be open up. Thrash
Yeah.
will be started, tussle will be started.
Straight away claim
Okay,
that
let
we
me
are
start.
doing
Neither he mentioned about his divorce, whether he's divorced or he's married. Neither he acknowledged that he is married. Now recently, when he had to write about his married life, then he wrote there that because it was mandatory. Now he mentioned after 35 years. So what was the fault of his wife? Why
Okay, thank you so much, Divya, for the opening comments. By the way, his wife has also not spoken anywhere. Okay,
That's a
Because
personal
he was
thing, right?
dominated.
Yes.
Vikramaditya
Because he was
Behra,
dominated.
your opening comments.
Yeah, I already made it up. Though there is some issue. That I'm saying that the total prevalence of ideology, the total prevalence of the principle of domination, and the variation and the factors which attributed for its practices, no matter in present context or a historical era, yet no particular perspective is responsible for such kind of things. You know, there are several categories of feminist perspective that they have discussed within themselves as well. Some is viewing power from different perspective, and some other is viewing power from another perspective. Some say that it's the distribution. Some say that it is related to resource allocation. Some says that it's total women's subordination from the masculine perspective and all this.
Thank you, Vikram, for the opening remarks. Thank you so much. We have already running short. After opening it up, we will surely invite you for the open up debate. Jyoti Malik, your brief, very brief comments, opening comments about the male domination.
So जैसे मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि as he has said that there are so many provisions in our constitution about women, but here I would like to say that why there is a need to make these provisions in constitution.
Yes.
Structural inequality.
Yeah.
God, stop. Last panelist, please request you all. Cool down. Yes, Jyoti.
And second thing, here I can say, out of 13 presidents, only one was the female
We should
in
contest
India.
more.
Okay.
Why can't you open a new party? Then
Yeah.
we
Okay,
will
Jyoti
follow
Malik.
forward.
Jyoti Malik, thank you so much. Now the debate is open up. Now
Thank
you can cut points. each other's
First, I will put forth as our Niharika ma'am or newcomer to the debate has pointed out. Yes,
Okay.
literacy
Is
rate
this Satendra talking?
this is Bala
Bala
Nagendran
Nagendran
talking.
talking. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first and foremost, the thing what you have said is absolutely right. There is a gender gap between literacy, there is a gender gap in everywhere.
No, but there's structural inequality.
Yeah,
that's
that is
not
what
domination.
that's where I'm coming.
Okay. Satendra, let me clear this. First thing, you're talking about inequality and domination as two separate things. But don't you think that domination comes only when inequality is made between a girl
It
and
might. It might.
It
but
might,
then
no,
it's
it
not,
is-
not,
it
not,
is
not,
the
not,
way
not,
it
not necessarily. It's
Satendra,
not
it is the-
necessary. It's
it
not
is the
necessary.
basis.
Your point is very valid. Your
not
point is very
necessary.
valid. But let me answer this. Let me answer this in one line. Who decides in an Indian home that who will be educated between a boy and a girl.
Right, all right.
It's
I answer you.
the-
You know,
it's
it's parents. It's not father alone. It's parents. It's parents who decide. And parents include mother also. Mother also is responsible hugely
But
for
how many
the
mothers?
prevalence of
But how many
inequality.
mothers are open?
And even grandmother, you know, even in the when it comes to preference for the son in Indian families,
Niharika, ma'am,
grandmother
you can feel
puts
free
a
to
lot
talk.
of response.
Don't take any
Grandmothers
pressure.
put a lot of response,
In our
pressure.
Indian society, in families,
It's
whenever a lady
grandmothers who
asks
pressure,
asks
who
her
pressurize
husband,
the,
whenever a wife
But in
asks her
today's
husband,
world,
why
it's
she is
ladies who are
given less
responsible for this
respect than
inequality,
that
I'm
of
telling you.
Okay. Bala, you're saying that maybe ladies are responsible. Maybe ladies are.
No,
they
maybe,
are,
we
because
need to think. We need to think why
They
this.
are.
What is
Women are
this?
responsible.
Not maybe. There is no question
You know,
for secondary
It
auxiliary.
is actually,
Ah.
maybe it is the structural problem
Uh,
also.
I would say one thing
It is
here,
who decides
that
this
if you
structure.
consider the theoretical
Why this is
perspective of
only in the Indian family?
Okay, let me get back to Bala, who was posing a question at me. Can I get the question, Bala? Where exactly were you trying to tell me?
Yes, ma'am. There are gender gaps. There are even I was expecting few of you will say female infanticide. None of you have put
True,
that.
correct.
Oh,
Grandmothers
Female
do that. Grandmothers put pressure for that,
who
actually.
kills the infant, ma'am? Man or woman?
Yeah,
It is a decision of the man.
No.
That's mother's
Sir,
decision.
families are men dominating in
Sir,
India.
man can be
Okay,
forced.
tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Okay. Let me
by incorporating one of the theoretical perspective.
Please allow a
Okay,
person.
let me put a question. Let me put a question. If a man wants a woman to do something and she doesn't want it, can a man force her to do something?
Very well. He has
No, he cannot.
Okay.
He
Very
cannot.
easily.
In our
Very
Indian
easily.
society,
If you are saying that women can be forced, can you accept women are weaker sex?
Sorry.
Are you
Do
ready
you
to
accept
accept women are
if
weaker
you're
sex?
saying that they can be forced, you're accepting that they're weaker sex.
well, in
Definitely
women are
physically,
weaker, but
yes.
mentally
No, but
and
they-
emotionally,
no.
women are much
Forcing
more stronger than
cannot be
that of
physical.
men.
If they're stronger, why are they forcing? Why they're taking the force?
Such men are so
Okay, I
dominating
have a
that
very valid answer to this.
Okay, fine.
Okay, female fetus kind, you're telling that it's a decision of, okay, if you
The
tell
family.
that who
It's a
get
family
it,
decision.
who get it done, a girl get it, no, you claim that a girl get it done, right?
No.
But then
We are
on
not
the
no,
other
no.
hand,
Girl, get it done. We are not.
no,
at all
I
anti-
very well know
No,
Bala, so that it is a girl
no,
who
Bala,
gets it done.
let me paraphrase the point. The point is, when it comes to female feticide, it's family which is responsible for the act. Family includes
Okay, you
parents.
tell family,
Mother.
but here family is all the talks, all the decisions are taken by a man. It's not a family here.
No.
This is
No.
called as domination.
And doesn't take
You know,
any
we-
decisions without any consultation. Come on, no.
Most of the cases to a large extent go to remote
That
areas,
is-
go
that
to
is-
rural
that is-
areas.
this is
Till
far-
now, till now, whom do you find putting a parda on their faces? Do you find men around, going
All
in
right.
burqa?
I-
Do you find women? Why are they-
All right. Let me ask this question. Let me put this question. Do you think men are
Yeah,
responsible?
very well. Okay, Bhag Milka Bhag, I can give you many more examples. In Chakde, they just laugh at women that क्या लड़कियां छोटी छोटी चड्डियां पहन के खेलेगी. Come on, how
Can I
can
ask a question, Niharika ma'am?
how can a national game be?
Is a man responsible for
Just answer me this. How can a India's national game be looked upon like this only because a girl is playing a game?
That's not a convincing proposition that you're talking about, because if somebody comes with a misogynistic comment, it's not that it's because of male domination, it's because of structural inequality.
Inequality, come on.
No, let me ask you a question.
When I initially talked about the transcendence and evidence, actually this is the ideological transition. That is when intergenerational is transmitted.
I agree with you.
And men and women are. It's not particularly. It's not in men. In the case of men, or not particularly in the case of women.
Let me ask you a question.
It is mutually operating on the basis of ideology.
My question is saying that men are dominating women. Isn't it a very much blunt and fraud statement which accuses
Yes,
both women?
let me keep
Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Women empowerment. How about the role men play in women empowerment?
Satinder, let them answer my one question simply. Ma'am, don't you think that this is not all about males are dominating or females are dominating? Let me tell you one incident. Mayawati,
Danish
she
is
has the-
talking.
Yes.
Are you being biased, Danish?
Not at all. Not at all.
It's not biased. Who? Okay.
I will-
Was Rajaram Mohan Rai a man or
Can
woman?
I put the question?
Guys, let me ask you a question. Rajaram Mohan Rai started women, women empowerment. Was he a man or woman?
In today's world, women empowerment.
One among the 1,000 people, one among the lakh.
No, he was a gentleman, right? Like all the gentlemen, most of them.
That is why he needs to do that.
Can I tell you this 1 second, guys?
Wait.
Bala Naginder, in the opening sentence, he told, I'm not at all here to appreciate a woman. And in the second line, he talked about constitution talking. Listen, let me complete. You're not allowing me to complete, Bala. Then how will you understand what I'm trying to tell?
We do appreciate women. I mean, we do appreciate women, for sure. I mean,
No.
There is
Let me-
difference of
How
opinion
did you
between the
tell?
boys team.
Danish, 1 second, let me talk. His opening sentence was, I'm not here to appreciate a woman. And then in second line, what he says that the Constitution of India talks about respecting a woman. Now you yourself don't follow Constitution and you're talking about respect and not respect.
Appreciation is different from respect. I need not earn a goodwill by saying.
Come on, you just tell on your face that I'm not here to
Ladies and
appreciate you, but
gentlemen,
I respect you. How
can
will
I ask a question?
No, just tell me.
I am here to appreciate you. I'm
all right, Danish, you go ahead with the question. Okay, the moderator wants to ask a
We are
question.
giving the Indian culture, Indian system, which is actually
Absolutely, I agree with you. Indian culture, Indian system is responsible of men. Men are not responsible.
Just
In
one
this
person,
debate,
in one
will not
person.
have anything.
Always.
See,
If we consider the Indian culture also, since the ancient perspective, the culture has much more
I
enriched.
request you all
Okay,
kindly.
I mean,
when you're telling me
Excuse me.
culture has
fundamental respect to
No,
women. I mean, the culture,
Exactly,
if you talk
culture
about
they
the
are
culture,
learning.
then culture has a
It is actually the culture they are learning because
All right, you tell me about culture. Is culture similar as male domination? I mean, you guys are mixing up things badly.
Can you
You guys are mixing up things so badly. I mean, it's like culture and
No, all
structure.
the basis where it shows that there is inequality in every scope of field, in every scope
Is
of
man
life.
responsible for that? Is a man responsible?
I don't think so. I am
Man
clear.
in a
But
whole,
but
he
hear
is
me.
responsible. Then why do
No,
you
he's
think
not.
that patriarchy has come into
Right.
picture?
Should
Why
I-
do you think that?
Patriarchy is a structure. Patriarchy is a
which doesn't mean that we are blaming men.
Now the structure is created by a man and a woman and
To a wrong person
structure is created by the entire
unlimited
society, men and women alike.
regulations, then
Ladies
it is
and
our fault that
gentlemen,
we
my
are
voice
getting
is there or not?
it passed. It is actually the fault
Yes,
of
yes,
culture or mythological
Okay,
things and also
okay,
saying
people today,
give more and more respect to
Okay.
men. If
Ladies
we
and
give that
gentlemen,
much respect, obviously
to
that
carry on
person
the
is
debate,
doing
I'm
here.
going up. Bye-bye.
Danish, let me answer to them. I think these people are
But only
mixing
two people are answering. You are not listening at all.
No, you asked your
At
question.
least
Seriously,
wait for a while. Debate is
I
going
also want to
single-handed
say
only.
something.
No, but there's a difference between culture and male domination.
Let's listen to the Danish.
They are not giving. Let anyone
People are
speak.
just- Can you put some points there? Or will you please allow me to speak a bit?
Yeah, you ask your question.
You're just quarreling over each other. Ma'am, Niharika ma'am and Megha, Divya and Jyoti, they are not speaking at all. Only from lady side.
That is
That's
not
Niharika
because of
ma'am.
us. See, they haven't quoted an important point. They are talking
Okay.
about culture. They are
I'm
mixing
Absolutely.
appreciation.
Yeah.
They have not got any substantive point. I mean, it's like
giving us
unfair on your
let's
part,
not get
Danish.
into all
It's very
this.
unfair on your
No,
part.
no,
Satyendra?
let them take actually we should be fair amount of we should be fair in
I
a sense.
cannot,
Let them speak.
I-
Let them
Okay.
their points. Let them put them.
Okay.
But today,
Danish,
but
No,
yes,
can you please allow me to pose a question
not
to
at all.
Satyendra?
I won't allow anyone now.
Why
Answer my
why Danish?
question. You answer
Okay, what
my
is your question?
Okay.
Okay,
the
Danish,
question?
okay, finally we allow you to talk. Say Danish, speak.
Thank you. Exactly today I am a Meera Kumar of the parliament. Okay, my question is to the lady. There was an incident occurred in UP. Mayawati, her DSP was cleaning the shoe. Don't you think it is a question of power? Whoever retains the power are dominating instead of calling it male and female?
Well,
Can I get the answer from Jyoti?
on the other hand, females are bitten, even you visit slum areas, because we have a very big slum area in our country.
Oh, in rich
Male
people are not beating. You are saying class.
Male
Can you
people.
allow her to answer?
I request you to kindly allow her.
Okay, ladies, go ahead. Allow her.
Okay.
Do you remember that example? He said कि अगर किसी लड़की का रेप होता है तो उसमें लड़के को फांसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. गलतियां हो जाती हैं लड़कों से, ठीक है?
लड़कियां भी बोल देती हैं.
He's making
I'm not talking about this.
You cannot contextualize anybody's.
I'm not getting it. No.
If you want
anybody's unproductive statement as the representative of the present
No,
context.
I will
And
not
anybody,
allow this
whatever
point.
anybody
I
has
won't
said.
allow this point. It is not the matter of debate.
to talk about that, let's start.
Today Mulayam Singh has
other
today
debate,
Mulayam Singh Yadav has changed his
I
statement.
think I will raise again the point that Danish made is about power.
गाने तो पावर की बात आती है तो रिसेंटली वहाँ पे कांग्रेस का एक लीडर था, यूथ प्रेसिडेंट लीडर था सुशील शर्मा. He murdered his wife in 1995 and
बहुत सारी वाइफ अपने हस्बैंड का मर्डर
let me clear it first, okay? It was
Put an example, na. How many of
his wife in a restaurant and later he was sentenced to death.
I mean,
But you know, in
many wives murder their husbands. Many wives murder their husbands.
You want to nullify it, please.
Guys,
Would you like me to quote the incident? What happened in Munnar, Kundalai, 1 year ago? Husband and wife were gone to honeymoon. Wife killed her husband with another.
absolutely, yeah. I mean, look at this.
Even a woman killed a young kid.
Now, see, that doesn't mean that it's a domination. They could have the personal issues.
Anyone can do
No,
anyone.
you
Excuse me.
That's not the point to talk about because that you give us some substantial points to talk on.
Okay, I give you a substantial point, Satinder. I want to know, out
Yeah.
of 29, or you can say
Uh-huh.
today, 27 leaders are the chief minister. Out of
Right.
that, only 3 are women. Don't you think it's clearly
How many women are playing contest? How many of them are contesting? How many of them are fighting?
10% women.
Now, you have to bring a question of women, but how many men do support? How many men supported women to get into politics?
That's right. Go ahead and fight. Who stops them from fighting elections? Nobody,
But
right?
how much
I don't
time
say.
has it-
If you have a daughter, if you have a daughter,
No,
if
you don't want.
you need to take your daughter to politics.
Won't you have the guts to
Yeah, I mean, you guys want to go to politics.
So much
I mean,
insecurity.
Don't want to go to politics. Blame it on
Honestly, do you like to see your daughter?
accusing us of that. That's not rubbish. See, you yourself are not willing to go to politics, and then you're accusing us of dominating you. That's really.
We have all the will and power to go to politics.
We don't want to
No.
go. But
Yeah, that's right. You don't want to go, and you're accusing.
Moral support.
कुएं में जानबूझ के छलांग क्यों लगाओगे जब तुम्हें पता है कि हाँ कुएं में जाके जान जाएगी.
तो ये मत बोलते कि उसने कुएं में हाथ जाते हैं और उसमें कुएं में.
Will you listen me?
कुएं में वो कुआं है ही
Let
क्यों?
me quote
कुआं है ही
something.
नहीं कूदना चाहते. ये मत बोलो कि उस आदमी कूदा.
In 2003, excuse me, my fellows, please. Excuse me.
Never judge.
मैं यहाँ पर एक बात कोट करना चाहती हूँ. He is saying कि girls are not going in politics.
Absolutely.
In 2003, there was a girl, Sakia Bai called. She was a sarpanch from. She was a tribal woman, sarpanch in Betul district in Madhya Pradesh. She was harassed to such extent, and she committed suicide.
In my state, chief minister is a woman, ma'am. In my state, chief minister is a woman. What do you say about that?
President Congress Party is Sonia Gandhi.
Sonia Gandhi.
But
In BJP, who is the chief minister of Rajasthan?
But then the ratio of men is to women.
That is not because of men.
That is
because
Sonia Gandhi is
okay,
not.
fine.
Sonia
I'll
Gandhi
give
is
you
not
this
the
example that in IIM the
Sonia
ratio
Gandhi in Indian politics for 10 years, Sonia Gandhi has been controlling Manmohan Singh. You see, a woman is controlling a man in
Petticoat government is going on now.
someone use good language.
Sir, you talk about majority. You
That's
talk
why-
about majority.
Mind your language.
Yes.
Every coin has two sides.
You're saying that women are not coming to politics without their own will. In Chandigarh, we have one.
Welcome if you want to come. You welcome if you want to
Two
come.
female candidates for the Lok Sabha elections. So it's not that women are not coming, but the thing is, in how many years they're coming?
In
What
2009,
is the
women.
percentage that they are coming? I'm not saying that women is not.
I request you all to
women
use
is
the
not
proper
doing
language, the words.
In 2009, it is up to the interpretation what sort of words are used.
Now
Even
you tell
historically.
me.
So I request you to
That's a
be
phrase.
clear.
That's a
Yeah,
phrase. That's a phrase.
Yeah,
That's
that's
a
a phrase.
I request you.
If they want, let them file a lawsuit on me.
If I'm
You
not
mocking, you know
wrong,
you're indirectly mocking and you're disrespecting a woman by saying such words.
No, I am.
Oh my
I am-
God.
I
You
am-
are very well doing
Yeah,
that.
you can file a lawsuit of that. I am disrespecting a woman. You can file a lawsuit.
Now I'm entering into the.
It's a simple debate.
you all are boys.
Competitively.
Practically,
Don't
it is-
take it as
and
a
the
competition.
Okay, let me talk now,
Okay.
please.
Put some good points there. Please.
Yeah, I'm saying,
Danish, Danish, let me take the point. Let me, Danish, allow me to give the prepared direction. Allow me to give
I request moderator to please give chance to everyone. I request
Alright,
thing.
guys, let's
I
get it
will allow.
straight.
I
Let's
will
get
allow.
it
Yeah, I will
up
allow.
to now.
Listen.
Up to now, what's
Satinder,
happening?
Satinder, just a, listeners are very high. Listener ratio is very high. So I want to make everybody clear because we want our listeners to clear what is right and what is wrong. For that,
All right.
I am putting some things for 1 minute only. I will give you one minute to each of the panelists to clear your points, what you want to say, where they are dominating, where they are not dominating. One by one, at least put some good points.
intense
Okay,
voice.
Jyoti Malik, you start. You start with 1 minute. Your 1 minute is there. You have put your points where male are dominating.
Yeah, मैं कहना चाह रही थी कि another means I have so many examples. What happened? These are recent examples. Everybody knows about it. And what happened? I think if I'm right, the name of that girl is Rakhi from West Bengal. Another example, this Nirbhaya case from Delhi. And another example, I think in
Is a man
2007.
responsible for that?
Then you tell it's a woman responsible for the Nirbhaya case.
It's a structure.
What would you like to know?
You talk about culture, you talk about structure, but
Let me clear, please.
I mean, what are you, on what basis are you telling us it's a culture? Is it written in our culture to rape a woman?
And
No,
if
not at all.
You
But it's something
you
which
are
is
a
developing.
boy.
I mean, misogyny is like it's
Satinder,
this-
you are a
Satinder, we
boy.
must accept this.
Society.
Satinder, you are a boy.
again, her-
Bala, you are a boy. Vikram, you all are boys.
Let her talk about Nirbhaya. Okay. Let her talk about Nirbhaya. The lawyers who are also supported Nirbhaya were men. Even a woman again opposed the death penalty. If
all
they
right.
know, they would say this.
See, I was amongst the people who were protesting from JNU for that. I mean, horrible, heinous crime, and I'm a man, and I was against it. So that doesn't mean that I'm.
What did you do?
And then
I
what?
go to law pass. I got, the law pass, Verma Committee's reports and entire things. I mean, it's something that we've done is very substantive.
What will you call to Sheila Dikshit's statement that she told that girl should...
What about National Commission of Women who said? What about the National Commission of Women who herself accepted that Nirbhaya was wrong? She wouldn't have gone at the time of 8:30.
How about the women sitting in the family?
What do you mean by what do you mean by wrong here? What do you mean by wrong?
Women Commission is telling you this, that let me clear this out. When that high profile people are telling that why should a girl come out at that point in time, then whom will you blame now? Only men are allowed to go at
No,
night
she's
time.
the woman. She's a woman. She's saying it.
National Women Director is
She's a
woman.
woman saying it. Could be she's mocking at you guys. You're not getting the real thing out of her.
No,
you had
You're doubting her rationality now.
You know this.
You're doubting her rationality.
You are talking about giving a clean
Excuse me,
At the same time,
let me say something.
she should come in politics. She should come there. She should come there. You yourself are bounding her within the time limits of a day. Okay.
Yeah,
No,
you
we're not.
listen.
Then
You
see.
listen
No.
to me now.
Then why don't you hear
Another
why
piece
don't
of
you
life.
hear anybody telling that men shouldn't go out after 7 o'clock after the
exactly.
sunset? You never hear this. It's
Why
only
should we-
women.
Right,
who
all
are
right,
forced
all
to
right,
all
all
such
right, all right, all
restrictions.
right, all right, all right. Let me say this. I mean, all right.
When you
I
talk
mean,
about
I agree
inequality-
I agree that we hear men and women both saying that women shouldn't go out late.
So do you
And-
agree with this point or
No,
not?
Listen,
thank
listen.
you for
No,
agreeing.
I never agree with this. Not at all.
No, you
Never,
just
ever.
totally agree
No,
with
let me complete. If you will not let me complete, I will not be able to say
Is
what
this
I'm
the
saying.
Same is
thing?
happening with us now.
Yeah,
You are not letting us
No,
speak
see,
also.
let me put my point. Let me
Yeah,
please,
you
let
put
me
your
put my
point. I have a question for you. Yeah.
Yeah, right. All right, let me put across my point first. I mean, we hear both of them saying that this shouldn't happen, women shouldn't go out and so on. And then we do not hear anyone saying that men shouldn't go out. And man is very much like free
Correct.
being. No, my question
Why
is...
not? The
Yeah,
rules should be same for
Listen,
both.
no, all right, let me complete my point. My question is not that. My point is, now, is a man, I mean, being a man, like, I'm sure most of the university students now, they do not agree with the fact that women or ladies shouldn't go out late. And they are men, of course. Now, what is responsible here is the ideological discourse, the structure, the ideological common consensus.
From where did
and
this
the
idea
norm.
come from?
Right,
Okay,
I'll come to
Satinder,
let me complete my
when you
point.
tell- when you tell
Let me
that you are-
complete my point. Let me complete my point. Let me please complete my point. Would you let me please complete my... Would you let me... Would you...
As of now, even I feel Jyoti
Divya,
and Divya are keeping
Divya,
Would
just
you
let
let me
them
please
complete
complete
your
my
point.
point?
Let
Would
them
you let me
complete, please.
complete my-
Okay, Satinder,
Let them
yeah,
complete.
tell.
This is true that you
Right,
got this
all right.
sentence.
So we have ideological discourses and norms coming from a long time which prohibit women. No, this
Okay.
is not to say, this is not to accuse the animal called man or his domination to be responsible factor for that. It's ideological consensus that has been prevailing, and it
No,
has to
sir.
be, listen,
It
listen,
is
listen,
practical.
and
It is practical.
it has to be
What this
broken.
ideology is
It has to be
creating.
disrupted. It has to be
Okay.
destroyed.
Satinder,
It is not
this-
agreeable.
Okay,
ऐसी नौबत ही क्यों आती है कि
Even
बोलना
you
पड़ता है
believe-
कि लड़कियों को बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए टाइम से बाहर क्यों आगे बिकॉज पीपल themselves know कि men dominate women.
Yeah, even women don't want women to go out.
And so I will allow Bala and Vikram and Jyoti, Divya, they are very quiet, have equal participation there. And I would like to ask Vikram, whenever the Dory system comes to the light, men are responsible for that, right? Whenever there are many problems which are faced by the women, they are physically weak, it does not mean they don't have the strength.
Domestic
Why-
violence is there.
Domestic
Many,
violence is
many
there.
females are
Rape
facing
cases are
domestic.
there.
I will highlight the issue here. As you have focused regarding the dowry and all that. When the dowry matters comes into force, the dowry is not supposed to be entitled to the male.
It's not acceptable.
Only. Not only for men. When there is, I'm quoting, it's like when a daughter-in-law comes into a home, there is a custom called Nanand Putli or something like this. He is the sister of the husband who wants the jewelry, who wants the cashes and luxuries and much more things for herself as
No.
a demand from the
Vikram,
daughter.
you're not getting
From
No, why
You're not
don't
getting
women
it.
want
You-
the share in property?
I
Why don't
wasn't,
the
I
family-
think I wasn't
dominance of the
preventing it.
family.
I think
The-
I wasn't preventing anything
the
to
dominance of the
let
two
his
family.
comment complete.
This
I
is
think I was in-
see. This
Mega
could be
ma'am.
a small rasam
Mega ma'am.
that's happening just to break the ice or something between Nanand and Bhabhi. This
And
cannot
both
lead to
against-
that woman
Let me-
herself is hurting a woman. Nothing like
If you
that.
start, go on arguing.
Because
I have been
see-
quiet. I have been
see what
quiet
is
for so
actually
long
happening.
time. So at least if you are not letting me to speak, then you won't be able to get my standpoint. What I'm saying, what I'm trying to say. What I'm saying is, there is actually, when the internal issues are dealt, when the internal issue of the women come into force, only women who are pressing things further and who are coercing their, for instance, the mother-in-law and other relatives of the women, they are actually, because the main members are not everywhere, in the whole days, they are not present at their home. So when the tortures are being taken place, when mentally or physically, whatever you can say, these are equally carried out by women. Because they, I mean, in who wants dowry? Of course, a family wants dowry, and in a family, there is not like only a maid
women are
who is
also there.
There is
Yeah,
women. There is women there. There is the sister of her husband. There is bhabi, whatever, sister-in-law. There is mother-in-laws, and lot more laws are there.
Mother-in-law,
So they are
daughter-in-law.
even.
Sorry, mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Let me
All kinds of legal entities are there. Laws.
Yeah.
I would like to highlight the
Even
point
what
of
happens,
Satendra said that it is
the
ideological norms which are
male
responsible.
members do not know many criteria about the dowry, many things about dowry which are to be asked, which are insisted by the women to ask. Women, male are just the male members are just
If you
playing the
say, I
part
don't want dowry,
to
you are
highlight.
you will be
Okay,
unmarried.
another thing I would like to ask here.
Another thing I would
Only-
like to ask to
Let me
excuse
ask
me.
a question to them. Let me ask a
Yes,
question.
please.
I previously told you I had a question for you.
Okay, you
From
ask
the
the question
beginning,
first.
Please
you
listen
told you
now.
see that
I
men
think-
and women work equally. And you also
Yeah.
talk about ideology. It's the
Yes, yes,
ideological consensus that is being prevailing since ages and which is
Yes.
leading to patriarchism, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, fine. Now, when you say that when both work equally, then don't you think that both should be paid equally as well? Then why there is a margin
Yeah,
difference
that's what I said.
between
In present,
they
okay, let me
work?
answer you.
This is
This
not
is
what
because
the
of
data is
physical
showing,
strength.
statistics are
Don't you-
showing.
Now let me answer you. In present scenario, where we have a technological economy,
You
you
said
do not
technological
see,
economy. What,
Yeah, listen.
I mean,
No,
what
no.
exactly
Let me answer you. Where there is no
Can you give a
inequality.
straightforward answer the way
There's
she
no
has
inequality.
answered
That's what I'm.
question?
If you
I have a
don't
very
allow me to
question
answer,
to
how
all
would I
of you.
answer? I mean,
You are,
that's the
you are
point.
getting
You let me
rhetorical.
speak.
You are getting
Right.
rhetorical.
Stop.
Right.
Please talk
Come on,
to the
I'm
point,
coming to the
please.
fact.
Okay, Satendra, let me answer to that.
No, let me answer,
listen,
Bala. I'll answer them. I'll answer, that's a very simple thing. I mean, the present economy functions on a basis where the physical power basically doesn't matter much. And you go to any sector services today, men and women are paid equally. Tell me where they are not paid equally for equal work. They
I
are.
have just recently read
Absolutely,
an article.
Data is showing
I have
that
read an
women-
article.
Wait.
private companies, they-
Okay, if you give me 1 minute, I would like to put forth the same.
No,
the same
just
example.
let me answer. Satendra, let me answer to your question that where do I see that there is the discrimination between payment structure between a man and a woman. I have recently read an article happening in United States. Okay.
Talk about India, man.
Why?
Why?
They're in the entire world. Why should you want to listen to India? And okay, fine. If you talk about Indian, do you know in the labor sector, women are still paid lesser than
That is what I would like to quote. On February, there was a discussion held by the same Danish Mahajan on women's employability. There, the same Megha Agarwal, who is sitting with you now, said, how can you register a laborers under the Prevention of Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act? They won't come under the organized sector. If the women is not supporting those category 93%, then how can you say that men are dominating?
Well, all right. Leave that aside. I mean, okay, let me ask a question. I mean, it's my turn to ask a question now. You're saying that men are dominating women today. That's the proposition of the debate. Now, what you mean is that all the efforts by men or gentlemen for women empowerment, actually you ignore them. You do not recognize them because you're saying men are dominating, and in this way, you bluntly and in a very flawed way, fundamentally flawed way.
It's not blunt.
All the men,
replace this
all
with
the men,
not
all the men. You mean you're accusing all the men of dominating women?
No, Satendra, we appreciate
And then same as your side. You're accusing
but
that women
majority of your men do the same.
Satendra,
They
I would like to
dominate
answer
women,
your
that's why
question.
we say.
Just once, I would like to answer your question. I'm saying that we are not accusing you. We are not accusing you that you are responsible for your dominance. We are saying.
No, what do you mean
that,
by
okay,
men? When you say men, you mean
the
majority of
things you are
men.
saying
And
that ideological norms, the thinking of the society, the structure we have, everything we see in a society is actually.
Is
This
it men?
actually creates that thinking
Is it men?
that male are
Yeah,
more dominant.
yes. Okay,
Male are
ma'am,
more
I
dominant.
think,
We are
ma'am,
not saying that you are responsible
The
for that.
societal
But this is
perception,
actually the
the
problem.
societal perception
Yes, come on,
you are
tell
talking
me.
about can be
strongest
attributed to
lady
several
of the
factors.
India. Strongest
I-
lady of the India is Mrs. Indira Gandhi.
Iron Lady of India. Yeah.
Yeah, if she is the Iron Lady, who is the Iron Boy of India? If she can be stronger, she can utilize the power.
Thanks for giving me one more point.
Who gave her this power?
Who gave? His father was dead.
Nehruji.
No.
The power she
He
got
was dead.
by her
He
own.
was dead at the time. Listen. Don't speak the false point here. Listeners are listening. Don't put the false. Jawaharlal Nehru was dead.
You are talking about only one female from beginning to now.
You listen now. No. I'm not saying. I put
You
the
are
Dori
only two, three females you are talking about. You are leaving 99% population of India in this way.
You're favoring them.
I put the Dori question to them. I put the 10% girls in the politics. I put that question. I have
why not 33%?
Yeah, I put only one question to.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying many times you have many times.
They should be fighting it.
You are also not putting good points here.
This group is dominating points in academics. They don't want to fight elections.
You say कि women are not getting dominated. अगर वो कम है अगर उनकी संख्या कम है काम करते हो तुम कहते
You have dodged my both the question. You completely dodged you ladies my question for the question. My one question was, don't you think that it was, first question was, don't you think whoever gets the power, he is dominating, he or she? That I quote Mayawati. Other thing. Madam, wait.
No, not really.
Madam, wait. Other question I put, and who was saying that Jawaharlal Nehru, I tell you for the listener, Jawaharlal Nehru was dead at that time. After that, Lal Bahadur Shastri became. After Gulzari Lal Nanda came. Then Gandhiji, this Indira Gandhi came by his own intellectuality. It is not the question that she has retained power from her father. Now you move on. To reply my question, it's a question of power or male or female.
Recruiting boys in academics, and then they say that they're not in women in politics. That's something which they're not doing, and they're accusing men of.
Yes, let them reply. They are quite now.
I would like to put an intellectual question over here. Let me put one question here. Would you like to answer?
Let them answer.
After the power, okay, and she got power. She got power after Nehruji has died. Nehruji has died. Okay.
No.
It is actually the impression of the Nehruji that. She got in power.
Gandhi will be the Prime Minister
it was her own powers, it was her own skills.
How about Sonia Gandhi?
She got that.
Okay, ma'am. If that is the case, if you are saying men are dominating, who
abolished Mayawati?
Who abolished Sati? Who given provision to Panchayati Raj? 33%. Men or women? Indira Gandhi hasn't given. Indira Gandhi castrated men.
In every field where girl has to dominate, they have to go through sexual assault, whether it is in the Bollywood, whether in the high class jobs. You don't examine the power of the, you don't examine the ability of the
pointing at the 50% reservation.
If you say so, if the girl can be selected. Sexual assault is, do you think that sexual assault is only feminine?
No, not at all. I mean,
please talk about majority of cases. Please talk about majority of cases. Don't talk about
harass sexually men many times. I mean, many times women accuse men of falsely of sexual harassment, and then they reverse the revenge. Right? They reverse the gears.
To the National Crime Record Bureau, 40% of the sexual harass cases were frivolous.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can speak now. Why you are quiet? What's your point, girls?
Thank you. I thought like you are asking a question.
I'm asking girls.
Since I am saying, tell me, who has given the power to women? Who has voted? If a woman is there, as Jyoti Malik said, only 2, 3, 13 president, only one were there. Okay. 2009, women have done phenomenal in politics.
What is our sex ratio?
Ma'am. Oh yeah, what about Kerala? Sex ratio is very high.
So only Kerala is there, na? Where sex ratio is high.
Oh my God! Again, Jyoti. Okay, you tell me one thing. Jyoti, you tell me one thing. ये sex ratio में ये male. You tell me one thing. ये male child का preference में, son का preference में, don't grandmothers and mother play a role? Don't they play any role?
to a large extent, they are not allowed. They are not allowed.
What are you talking about? The rule.
And in this,
Even if
Grandmother who wants to see the Kulka Deepak, right?
He said that it is the matter of power which is affecting. In Canada, there's a rule. वहाँ पे रूल है कि अगर घर में लड़ाई हो जाती है तो एक वाइफ को नहीं बाहर निकलना पड़ता, एक हस्बैंड को घर से बाहर जाना पड़ता है अगर एक हस्बैंड और वाइफ के बीच में लड़ाई हो जाती है, ठीक है। पर यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे उल्टा रूल है।
और इंग्लैंड में ये रूल है,
सिचुएशन इम्प्रूव्ड है बिकॉज
You want equality or you want men to be thrown out of the country? You want equality or
we want equality. Okay, we want equality.
According to you, let me ask you a question. So you are saying that there is a rule in India that women should be thrown out of the house in case any kind of controversy happens? I don't think so.
They don't have that rights in society. They are being accused by society.
You know, kind of
Same thing. I mean, if they do not have rights, are men responsible for that? That's a mute question.
The kind of rules and regulation exist in Indian legitimate system will be more productive than any other nation.
All the burden of men,
the domination of the relationship, husband is entitled to render all the expenses and every kind of...
Men are no
Why not? When they take the responsibility of a woman, then when the time comes to,
they do not take the responsibility of a woman. Women take a responsibility. Like everybody has to be responsible for themselves. Individuals.
Come on, a woman goes after a man. It's not that a man comes after a girl during marriage.
If you
So when he takes the oath,
men are taking responsibility of a woman.
What do you mean? Okay. I mean, that's very fraud thing you're saying. You're saying men take responsibility of women. What you're implying is that women are too weak to take responsibility for themselves.
You are a family of 10 members, okay, and 4 members of that family are not...
Wait, let me reiterate. When you say that men take responsibility of women, what you're saying is that women are too weak.
It's not that a man... Sandeep, let me answer that. It's not that a man goes after a woman after the marriage. It's a woman goes after a man
There is
after
something
marriage.
wrong
So definitely it's his responsibility.
Sponsors and they're drinking and smoking.
Don't you think it's a responsibility to improve it?
Right. So
You said that. Why should we care about it? Okay. If
No,
we are having
who said
a
the reality?
family, in a society, in a nation, in a
it's
country.
poor men, right? I mean, you're saying that it's poor man who suffers. I mean, you're putting all the burden on the man.
Actually, in here I would like to quote, if you say men are taking the responsibility, there won't be the emergence of feminism. How are you talking about feminism?
Sorry, can you come again?
How we are talking about feminism? If men are taking responsibility, feminism is the emergence of women demanding their rights, powers. Talk about
No, but that's not the question we should be asked here, Bala. The question that should be asked is if they think that men has to take responsibility for women, they themselves assuming that women are too weak to handle themselves.
I have already accepted that.
Women already have their own responsibility. She has a house thing to look upon. She has her kids.
Why should she be looking at house thing? Why should she be doing that?
You go.
Let alone
Okay, so how many men of their
you yourself are justifying sexual division of labor. You're justifying sexual division of labor yourself. You're a woman. Come on. How do you do that?
I am not doing that. Today, how many men do you find they like women working? Do you find in matrimonial sites and all? They want women.
Absolutely you do. I say
In
you
your
do. Of course you do.
In your technological, what do you say? What was the term? Yeah, economy.
Of course you do, and you're justifying sexual division of labor, which is bizarre, which is absolutely convincing. I mean, look at what you do.
In my university, I will quote, in my university, in the computer and information science department, there is only 4 girls. Well, there's 36 boys. And
That's what.
let me point out the
Today,
circumstances.
when you yourself are telling that there is 4:36 ratio of girls to boys.
That is due to women's incompetency. Why can't you look in that way? Why can't you
None
look
of
at
the women's sport. Come on.
Women's lack of confidence.
Okay, now tell me.
women's lack of confidence is because of
now
sex.
tell me.
What possessive about this girl?
Please. Now tell me.
Here is the end of the debate.
Excuse
No,
me,
no,
let me put last point.
Now,
Okay, we won.
Okay,
Not
let me
at
put
all.
last point.
Wait. Let
Danish,
Oh,
Danish,
yes,
how
yes,
can
yes.
they decide who won and who lost?
No, nobody won.
Actually, you know,
The person
today I
who is
found
telling
that boys
the
have been
winner
eating
cannot be
walking-
declared by themselves only.
Danish is biased. Leave Danish. Danish is
Let
biased.
me
Danish,
put
you
last
yourself
point
can
here. Excuse me.
happening here itself.
Okay.
Yes, let me clear now.
With the
Bala,
closing,
can you-
closing comment.
Yes,
you can-
yes.
I'm just kidding, guys.
Satendra, now that's all done. The debate is over.
No, I'm
So
just
now let's
kidding.
wait
No,
for
I'm
the
just
panel,
kidding.
judge panel to
Ladies and
clear
gentlemen,
their
ladies and
result.
gentlemen,
I'm just kidding about it.
I am not going to decide. Listeners are going to decide, of course. In Radio Udan, everything is in the hand of listeners. But
Democratic.
before I have closing comment, I want to make it very interesting. Okay? Don't. You both party will not fight. Okay? You decide. One question will be put by the female side to the male. They will answer. One question only from their team, and you both have to answer.
It should be
Listeners
done
will
in
decide.
beginning.
Okay, but nobody is going to fight over when somebody is answering.
It's
Don't
a closing statement, right?
No, it is not closing. Afterwards, we will have the closing statement. Okay.
Right.
One question. Now questions
All
from
right.
the Satendra and party. You decide who is going to put the question.
I'm going to put a question.
Don't have the
Okay,
difference.
I think because because I'm a man, I would prefer that the ladies go first and they put their
Yeah,
question.
let me put
ladies
a
go first.
question. Why females are expected respect to their husbands? And
Well,
second,
in that,
and
you know,
second, why there are majority of husbands who are marrying the wives who are younger to them? Is it not dominating?
right. All right. No, it's not domination. Come
Okay.
on.
Three replies you will
Nobody
get.
will-
Three replies you will
nobody
get.
will-
One from Satendra, one from me.
In one
Right.
line, two
Yes,
lines.
yes,
Don't
yes.
go
Let me
10
go with
minutes.
my reply. The first part of your answer will be that it's not husband alone commanding respect from his wife. It works both way. If it doesn't work both way, if the wife is not at all commanding respect, the marriage will break down. And in present time, when the Indian society is getting increasingly educated with the values of equality, values of gender sensitivity and gender parity, the disrespect for a wife or for husband, disrespect for any of the spouses is likely to wither away, and that cannot stay in an educated society. Secondly, when it comes to marrying, the second part of your question, marrying is all about gets mature faster, and as far as my knowledge goes, it's women who gets mature faster than boys. So it's about that. It's not about age. Age has nothing to do with domination or subordination relationship. Yeah.
Okay.
No,
thank
it
you.
happens.
No,
Have you ever seen?
No. Wait. No point. No time. We don't have time.
It's my I would like to
No,
be
in the closing comments you can
be
say.
genuine to reply to Jyoti's second question. First question he has replied a lot.
Bala, reply in one line only because I won't
of
allow
course,
any.
Of course.
Time is over. Yeah.
It is
So,
all
please
about...
talk about majority. I'm saying.
No. Oh,
No, yeah, it's majority is educated.
That's what I'm saying. This is...
example, also take the women and men from the poorer section, please.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
No, I'm talking
Include
about
them
increasingly
also.
educated.
Include them also because they are facing a lot of
So you
violence.
want to continue at 1 o'clock?
No,
No,
Jyoti,
no.
your question is over. You cannot
Yeah.
ask.
Yeah,
You
sure,
cannot
sure.
ask question now.
Pala.
Okay, Pala, go ahead.
Second question I see, I said why men are marrying women younger to them.
Younger women.
Yeah.
Even women are marrying younger men.
Satendra, you are
Very
wrong.
less females are
That's
there.
not a group answer,
Yeah.
please.
Very less.
Yes.
I will
Yes.
quote, as she said, majority, but even though, let me give some example, 2 examples. Steve Jobs, Mary
Yeah, one
Price.
you will say,
Wait. Dan Brown. 12
No cross questions, girls.
Yeah.
Sir,
Then,
talk
if
about
you-
majority,
why
please.
are marrying,
And talk
that
about
is
Indian
zero-
society.
Yeah. Oh, would you like to Gandhi?
You cannot argue now, please. You cannot
Girls, no
argue.
cross questions.
This
No cross
question is
question.
over, yeah. Danish, move
yeah.
on to next question.
The thing is,
Yes.
if you want to learn more about this, I will talk about sex education written by Dr. Ruthed K. Rowlett in Sex for Dummies in my book review. Wait and listen. This is scientific. physical analysis.
All right. Also keep
Can you
listening
put
to
a
social
question?
harmony for...
Can you put a question to the ladies? Who is going to put a question?
Yes.
No, I need
No,
to
no,
answer.
Bala, no, you please put the question. We don't have time. We have to take closing comment as well.
I think
Only I
Vikram
ask-
Vikram
I will
wants
not
to
allow
put a
people-
question.
What
Let me
people
put a
to answer?
question. Let me put a question. When we say that men are dominating women in Indian society, what we imply is that men as a whole are making women as a whole subordinate to, in Indian society, women. I mean, so women are being dominated as a whole by men in entirety. This is flawed, which is not convincing argument. How would you respond to that? Secondly, we're talking about present society, and society is getting increasingly educated. So don't you believe that education brings along a new ideological discourse, new norms, and new attitudinal and value changes, which will support more equality and parity, gender sensitivity? In that scenario,
Now, can you complete
But
your
in
question? Oh my God.
in
You're writing
beginning
a
you
book over question.
do you think that will persist? That's the question. I'm done with my question. Yeah.
in beginning you were saying that it was a structure which is going on till
The
now.
structure is being replaced. There's a counter structure which is being developed, right? That's the question.
Satendra, your first question was not a question, it was more like a statement that you're just telling that, okay,
No, that's what
fine.
you mean.
We mean, everybody means this. Okay, it was more like a statement, it wasn't a question at all. And secondly, you're telling about, sorry, what was the thing that was, secondly, you were telling about?
I would like to
Education
answer
brings
your
new
second
ideological
question.
discourse.
Sorry?
Education brings a new ideological discourse,
Okay,
new norms.
fine.
new
Education means, then till date, till now also, you find many rapists who are educated. Okay, then you, there are many scenarios where rapists are doing, no,
We do not
they are-
consider
they are
educated. They're mentally
there are
educated.
many scenarios where literate themselves are snooping down to this level that they are, that they are doing these heinous crimes. Now, an education level has nothing to do with, if education has come, there would be a change and all. This ideology that has.
So, do you think education is irrelevant?
Okay, let me close this.
Satendra, sir, I would like to answer your question. Just one or two lines.
No. Closing comments.
One
Closing
I mean,
comments.
you think education plays no role? That's rubbish. You think education plays no role? Come on. How could you challenge the relevance of education? Education is very significant. You challenge
Satendra, your point is, we are okay with your point, but
Today's relevance, education is to get a degree, to get to a
God,
job.
you never stop.
No, it's
Okay,
value.
friends. Shall we have the closing comments,
he is
please?
right at some
Ramesh, let's move to
Let
closing
me
comments
tell
now.
me
Yes,
according to
Oh,
we
let's leave it now. Let's move on to
No,
our closing comments, please.
Nothing according.
She's
Yes,
not
Divya,
raising her voice.
I would like to
You are
have the
not right.
closing comment of Divya now.
Fantastic.
Divya,
Divya, go on, give a good closing comment.
Well, my closing comment is, first of all, when I am saying that male are dominating, I am not saying that all the males are dominating. Still male are dominating. That's why I am saying 50% of male are dominating. The other thing is that there is reservation and other facilities, special facilities for women.
So you are saying
Just-
50% women are safe.
Bala, you stop it now, please.
Yeah, even 50%
Reservation and all the special
This is
arrangements and all the special
This is bizarre, I'll
services and reservations for women itself proves that authority knows that male dominates women. I just want to say this.
Thank you. Satendra,
You're
you
dominating us.
brief, Satendra, please.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah, closing comment, please.
Well, all right. First of all, man, she's saying, okay, not all the men are dominating, but 50%. I don't know how she measured it. I have no stats. But then, if she says 50% men are not dominating, then the proposition doesn't stand, which means the proposition then should be that 50% of men are dominating women and 50% are not. That should be the proposition, not
I could
men
have
are
told
dominating
60,
women. All right.
70
No,
as
you cannot
Oh,
post
just
question.
a
You cannot
You cannot
speak,
post
Divya.
question now.
Please.
So my points that I made is that present technological economy where you do not need physical labor will be based on equality and equal work, equal wage, and values, attitudes are changing, and new ideological discourse and structures being built up, which will be more equal and.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Yes, Mega Ji. Your closing comment.
I give the closing comments with just 2 points. Firstly, I agree with this thing that the situation of women in India is improving. That's why we are fighting for 33% in Lok Sabha. But we still need to do a lot more. And you can't run away from this responsibility that we are men. Why should we fight for you? Okay.
We will not run. We will be
We
here.
don't urge for it. But
if we fight
it is
for
a
you, what will you do?
responsibility.
You're weak.
I'm completing
I need
it.
to cut your
Very
call
shortly.
now.
Second point, I would like to say that in Gujarat, Gujarati people say that a daughter, a lady, a sister can walk on road even at night. Why? Why they are saying it? Because there is law and order in Gujarat. So it's not about Ganesh who is in power just, but it's about a responsibility. Whom should you give the power? Whom should you give the security?
Yes,
Who
Megha,
needs
right.
the care?
Exactly. I am agree with you. Now, Bikram. Good points.
Yeah, my point is,